Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming warranty status because opening the console can void coverage. If covered, contact support instead. Next, perform a hard power reset. Unplug the power cable and HDMI, wait 60 seconds, then reconnect only the power and test. Do this because residual charge can lock the system. Once done, plug HDMI back and turn on. If the console shows no lights, swap the outlet or cable to isolate power issues before moving to internal troubleshooting. You now run targeted diagnostics to identify the fault. If the console boots to recovery, create an offline update USB and apply the update to fix firmware corruption. This often resolves boot loops. If the console doesn't boot, listen for unusual fan noise or burning smells. Those indicate hardware failure. If you decide to open the case, make sure to ground yourself to avoid static damage and follow step-by-step disassembly to reach the fan, SSD, and power supply for inspection. You finish repairs by replacing the identified faulty component. Use OEM or exact spec parts for the power supply, fan, or SSD to ensure compatibility and safety. Once replaced, reassemble the chassis carefully, ensuring flex cables are seated and screws are snug but not over-torqued. After reassembly, boot the console, run the system update, and test multiple games, network connectivity, and controller pairing to confirm full functionality. If problems persist, a key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.